I'm going to show you how you can lower the exposure of iPhone videos in two different ways. The first one is before or while you are capturing the video in the camera. So if you open up the camera and switch to the video mode, you can lower down the exposure when you select the subject like this and slide down the sun icon toward the bottom, which as you can see is making everything look dark, and as a result like the exposure is lowered down. So you can now record the video like this and the exposure is going to be down, and you can as well just click on it like this, lower it down, but as well just hold down on it before, and now it's going to be locked like this, so it doesn't really get unlocked unless you tap on the screen somewhere else. So that is the first part. But if you already have the video saved in the gallery and you want to adjust the exposure later in the post-production, you can make the video show up in your gallery, click on the edit button below, and when you tap on adjust like this, the second option in there says exposure. So as you can see, it's the icon with the circle containing plus and minus icon, and you can slide it towards the right so you get to the left section, and this is going to lower down the exposure of already captured and recorded video. So now you can hit it done like this, and the video is now much darker, the exposure is lower, and that's how you can do this with existing videos. So I hope it helped. If you have more thoughts or questions, leave them below. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now, and I'll see you later.